All right, so we're going to look at factoring some trinomials where my leading term is bigger than 1. So basically the same process, it's just now I have more combinations. So let's go ahead and look at our first example. So my first example is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. I'm going to go ahead and set up my binomial just like normal. Okay. And now I'm going to have to look at a combination of my first terms and my last terms in order to get my middle terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at what are my factors of 2, 2 and 1, and what are my factors of 3, 3 and 1. So now I just need to start matching them together. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 and 3 is 5. But I want you guys to notice something real quick. How am I supposed to get to 5? Subtraction. So that's actually not going to be the correct way. Let's try another one. 2 times 3 and 1 times 1. See, I'm just matching up the factors to see which one works. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Hey, that's going to be my combination that works. Notice these go with your x squared, so I'm going to put those in the front. 2x and x. And then you know the way that FOIL works. You have your terms like this. And these two terms multiply, and these two terms multiply. So if I put the 2x here in my combination, I had to multiply 2 times 3, so I'm going to put the 3 right here. So that way I end up with 6. And I'm going to put the 1 right here. 1 times 1 is 1. All right. Lastly, I want to end up with a negative 5, so I need to have a negative 6 plus 1. All right, let's see if that works out for us. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. 1 times x is 1x. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. And look, that gives me my original statement. It is correct. You should never miss a factoring problem because you can always go back and multiply it and see if you have your original statement. All right, example 2. In example 2, I have 5x squared plus 33x minus 14. So let's go ahead and break those apart again. 5 and 1, and then over here I have 1 and 14, and I have 2 and 7. So let's start matching them up. And I want to get through subtraction 33. 5 times 14, that's going to be 70. So that's nowhere even close. Let's try 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 14 is 14. 1 and 14 is 14. 5 and 1 is 5. 14 and 5, does that give you 33? Nope. So that one doesn't work. Let's try the next one. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 7 is 7. 10 and 7, does that give you 33? Nope. Let's try the next one. 5 times 7 is 35. 1 times 2 is 2. 35 and 2, does that give you 33 through subtraction? It does. So I'm just going to match them up. These are my x's. And then remember I multiplied 5 times 7, so I need to put the 7 there, and I need to put the 2 here. All right, let's look at our signs. I want to end up with a positive 33, so I'm going to get a positive 35 through multiplying like that, and I'll get a negative 2. And there's your answer.